Hey there subscribers, this is Renee Harrison from Be Social, and just because you're on my list, I want to do something a little more special for you guys. I wanted to share a little bit of my best kept social media secrets with you. So I'm going to start up today with ping.fm. Right now I am in my back office, or in my dashboard. So again, you just want to go to ping.fm. And you will see that I have all these social networks here. Ping FM allows you to update many different social networks all at once. So that's the beauty of it. So it's just one status update or a microblog, or you can even send out a blog post as well. So it's just one post and it syndicates out to all these networks. It is very simple. It's free, which is always a good thing, but I just wanted to share a little bit of how this works. It's a little different. There's just a few little quirks with it that I wanted to talk to you about. So as you can see, I've got Twitter, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Brightkite, all these here. If you go into settings, yeah, these are all my different ones I have currently, and then you can edit these. Ping FM allows you 3 different posting methods. A status update, which is basically describing what you're doing. It's kind of short. And then, you know, such as Renee is writing a blog post about Facebook fan pages. Stay tuned. Most of the social networks will accept status update messages. Then there's a second thing you can do is called microblogging, and that's a simple, straight to the point message, generally about 160 characters or shorter. Twitter's 140 characters, so this is just another short, quick message, similar to status update. And then, like I said before, the blogging. So that's a comprehensive post containing a post title and a post body, and it can be quite lengthy. So with Twitter, obviously I'm not going to pick a blog one. They don't even give you that choice, but you can decide, you know, what posting method you want to choose for the different networks. So I've chosen these 2 here. And that's to one of my Twitter accounts. And then so here's Facebook. You can also add your Facebook pages if you have those. So on this side here's the Facebook, and there's the 3 different methods for posting. So I've chosen all of them. They talk in more detail about these extra settings, but if you click post links to stream, that will allow you post a link on the wall. It will show like a little picture along with that link. Otherwise it looks kind of weird, and the link will actually be shortened. So this is a good thing to set in that settings. And then here's the pages, so same type of thing. And those are my 2 fan pages that I could decide to post to. Okay, and then here's my LinkedIn, and same thing. It doesn't allow for a blog posting, so that these are your 2 options, and I've chosen both of those. Okay, I wanted to show you all the other ones that I actually haven't signed up for yet. These are all the other choices. There's quite a few. I'll show you Posturous, which I've signed up for recently. So this is how you do it. You just add network, and I already have my information there. You submit, and this here I would want blogging checked because Posturous is a blogging platform, so it will show the entire blog post. So you go ahead and submit, and then select one of the sites. There we go. Submit again, and it says network has been added. So it's really super simple. That's all you have to do. And if we come back here, Posturous has been added. So these are all the ones that are added thus far. Now as you can see, I have all of these checked in my service settings. If you want to just post to a few accounts and not other ones, there's groups that you can create, and I've created a couple groups already. This one here, I just called it Facebook, Twitter, but basically it's all the groups except for LinkedIn. With LinkedIn, I want to be a little more careful because that's more of a business network. It's a social network, but it's a little more businessy. And I don't want all my Twitter updates going there. So, and I've just created another one for LinkedIn. So I just wanted to separate those out. If I didn't want to, then I would just do the default setting, which, let's see here. Here's my default settings, which is all of them. And it's a status update. You can create, if you want your default method blogging or microblogging, you can decide that, but I just chose status update. And also within these settings, you can check this shorten links and posts, which you'd want to do. You can track statistics on shorten links, which is a great idea. It's going to give you some analytics about what's going on with your links. Yeah, it will track clicks, refers, timeframes, and country locations. But you want to make sure when you sign up for an account, make sure you opt in to track that link information. By default, it's not tracked, so I did have to go back in and do that. So, okay, so getting back to groups, if you wanted to create certain groups that you'd want to send your messages to, you can decide what method. And then, well, for example, you could do a blogging one and just pick the blogging platforms like Posterous and Tumblr, WordPress, that kind of thing. So you could just add those as a group, and I would call this the blog group or whatever. So then you just add that. I'll do that. Just add posting group. Okay. And, well, I don't have a whole lot, but these two here. I would just uncheck all these other ones except for Tumblr and Posterous. Add that group, and now I have this. So a blog post can go to these two, the Tumblr and Posterous. I also wanted to let you know that you can come to this dashboard and type your message on your computer, but you can also post messages by email by sending via your email account to an email address that Ping will give you. They'll give you a new email account, and then what you do is from your email application, Yahoo, Gmail, whatever, you would send it to this address, this email address that they give you, and then that will go out to all your networks basically. So you can do it via email, and one of the advantages of posting via email is that you can attach a photo. So that was one of the cool things I thought. You can also do your postings via SMS text messages too. Alright, another thing I wanted to point out is if you just wanted to post to a single service, they do have here in this drop down menu, let's suppose I wanted to just post to Bright Kite. Well, then I would just click that and then type my message there and then ping it. So you can just pick one individual site to do. And another thing I wanted to point out is that if you use hashtags with Twitter, you can use hashtags in Ping FM as well. You would just write your message normally as you would, and then the hash symbol will be removed from your message for networks that don't use hashtagging, but will be kept for those that do. So that's another nice feature. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just post a message to my accounts, and like I said, by default, all of these counts here are going to be posted too, which is fine with me. I have no problems with that. So we'll go back to our dashboard and then go ahead and paste my message in here. So, and like I said, this will be shortened before it gets sent out, this long URL. So all you do is just throw it in there, ping it, and it's gone. So it's easy as that. I noticed here too that if you wanted to send out a song, it says post song, search for song below. All you do is just search for your song. Once you find what you're looking for, click on it to include a link to it in your post. So that's kind of cool too. I just noticed that the other day. Okay, so there you have it. One of my little ninja secrets, ping.fm. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. And I will be sending you some other posts soon regarding some of my other secrets that I have for you. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.